morning, guys. Good morning. This is day 2 for us on the cruise. We just woke up. The girls are still laying down. Some of them is up. Lily's brushing her teeth. We ordered room service over there, and we're about to drink some tea on the balcony. And this is the view from our balcony. Yay, 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 yay. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, that's what I said. Sit in the middle of the night. At least the boat's chilled out. Atlantis is over there, guys. That's nice. Very nice. Very cute.
Mom, look. We can see the Disney one.
This one.
Oh yeah, look at Disney cruise.